Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 100PS 290 front-wheel drive L2 high roof rack spares OR repairs low miles grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,262. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.